With GAT Flow, you can edit and set up a new email signature for a group of users in bulk, and in this guide we'll show you how. We'll start in the Create Workflow section. Now give your workflow a name. In this case, I'll type Bulk Signatures. Then select Modify for the type. You can also choose to add a description, but it's entirely optional. I won't be including any suspended users for this workflow. I'll then make sure Run immediately after approval is checked. If you need to notify any members of your organization, you can do so by adding them as a notification recipient. You can also use any custom tags. In this case, I had previously created a tag called Signature, so I'll use that here. Workflow tags can be made in the Workflow Tags area under the Configuration section. They are optional, so no need to worry if you haven't made one. When ready, select Next. Now in this area, we'll need to select the users, group, org unit, or classroom that will be affected by this workflow. You can also import users with a spreadsheet by using this option. In this video, I'll just be adding 2 of my test users. Once the users have been added, you can select Next. We're now in the Choose Actions area. Here we can see where our workflow begins. This is the Start node. To add an action, we'll have to select the plus button. Now select Add Action. You can easily find the action we're looking for by typing Signature in the search bar. Here is the action we're looking for, Set Email Signature. Simply select it and the action will be added to the workflow. Next, we'll need to double-click the action. This will allow us to modify it. From here, you can modify the signature of your users as you see fit. You can switch to a HTML editor using this option and view a preview of your signature design with this Show Preview button. In this example, I'll be using one of our templates. I'll select the first one. I can now add a company logo image or use the user's photo. Set the company color as well as provide links for various social media and company URLs, as well as add some text if needed. Once you have configured your signature design to your liking, you can select Next to view a preview. Now that the signature is finished, simply click outside of the signature editor window to minimize it. You can then select Send Approval Request and it will be sent to your GAT Unlock Security Officer for approval. Once approved, the signature will be applied to the users you've selected. That covers this GAT Flow guide. Thanks for watching.